Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky and what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be going on a bit of a road trip. Yes, you've got it. So I've got a few days off and I'm going to bring you guys along and see what adventures we get up to. So it's currently 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm just about to get in the car and head on over to the destination. And then from there we've got a few things planned and I will keep you guys up to date with what is happening and tag you along. Make sure if you like this video you give it that nice big thumbs up and subscribe just below, and let's go start this road trip. So we're now on a long walk. So I've been to Brecon this morning and I haven't gone straight to the campsite. I thought no, I'm going to go out and see something first. So I had a nice cup of tea in a coffee shop, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go over and see some waterfalls. So there should be 4 different waterfalls here on our little walk, and I'm going to take you guys along to see. A little bit out of breath, but we made it to the top and it was well worth the views. Incredible day. So I've seen all the waterfalls and they were epic. You can walk behind some of them as well. So what I'll do is I'll put a few pictures and videos there for you as well. Make sure you keep an eye on the Tik Tok, so it's Vicky Giraffe, and you'll be seeing loads of videos coming up on there shortly. Oh, just so nice out here. Just taking it all in. So these are just a couple of my days off. And I've just come out and trying to make the most of it, having a little mini holiday and trying to do as much walking and seeing the local area, well, this area, as possible, because this isn't local. Trying to see some of the different area and take you guys along too. So it's been a lush day so far. So I drove up this morning and been in the coffee shop, and then we've come out and about. We've gone to see all of the waterfalls as well. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm using a couple of days just to have a mini holiday. So yeah, I still haven't gone outside of Wales, but there's too much on your doorstep to miss. So make sure you guys get out there and see something new, just like me. And isn't it nice? Got little sheep in the background, got the river, and then further down you've got the awesome waterfalls as well. So if you guys like this video, then give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe just below. And I will see you for some more of this holidays adventures in the next video. Bye! all those stairs were absolutely exhausting to get up, but we did it. I might have been a little bit red-faced, but we managed to do it. So I've been round and seen the other waterfalls, and they're so impressive because what you can do is you can go behind some of them as well, which is awesome. You've got people swimming in the water. I even saw a co-steering group as well. So if you're in Brecon and you're looking for something to do, then come over and see the 4 waterfalls and try and find the co-steering group as well. I don't know who they are, I just saw them when I was out and about. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head back to the car and then find the campsite and set up my pitch. Let's just hope I brought everything. It's been a while since I camped. I saw this when I was driving and I just had to stop to just take it all in and do this beautiful video for you. Next stop, campsite. So this is the campsite that I stayed at. You can see it's pretty quiet. There's quite a few motorhomes there, but not too many tents pitched up. But as we span around here, you've got some incredible views, especially first thing in the morning. And yeah, there's my tent, all set up. You can never have too many shoes. But let's show you inside. So yeah, got a little carpet, got my air mattress, just to be nice and comfy and warm. Duvet, a sleeping bag, just to be toasty.